Welcome back to Hazel, the new build that we are doing in College Park. We are at month 5 now, and so we finished drywall a couple weeks ago. We've done paint. We've installed light fixtures to pass our pre-power so that we can get our meter, and we'll show you around the rest of the house. Tile has started, and we're starting with finishes. So now we're standing in the great room. So right here is the family room, and behind me is the kitchen. And because we don't have the AC on yet, we don't have cabinets. And we are on an active construction site, so you're gonna see some storage of materials as we go through the house. But behind me, you can start to see where some of the light fixtures will go eventually. We had it trimmed out with finished boxes so that we could get the power turned on into the house. So right now we're waiting on OUC to give us our meter, and then we'll have the power on and we'll be able to install all our light fixtures and have some light in here. But over here you can see where we'll have eventually the sconce light that will be over the sink and this whole window looking out to the pool and the summer kitchen beyond. As we come out from the dining room, we have this beautiful summer kitchen here, and you can kind of see now how it will all come together. So we'll have the hood that goes all the way across, and that's going to be stuccoed. And the realities of construction, it is a rainy day today, so we've got some tools and people working under the covered areas. But you'll have your grill here, and then under that you'll have some storage area, and then this will be a refrigerator, beverage cooler for outside. And beyond that, we've got our pool, so this area would be perfect for a table looking out onto your pool from the patio. So I'm here walking out of the garage. It's a 2-car garage in the very back of the property, and this is exactly why we did a breezeway, because it's raining outside, pouring in fact, and I am not getting wet. So from here you can get into the house, stay dry. So here is the primary suite. I'm standing in the bedroom right now. You can see we've got the fan installed, drywall paint, and lots of natural light. So we're really excited for this to get wrapped up. And now let's go check out the primary bathroom. So this is the primary bathroom, and you're gonna start to get a feel for what this will look like. So the same tile that's on the floor is actually gonna be on the walls to the ceiling in the shower, and they're gonna be book match tiles. So the flow of the pattern that's on the tile will go from one slab to the next, and it's gonna look really spectacular, and I cannot wait to see this finished product. So we're right outside of the primary suite here, and this is our laundry room. So we haven't gotten it done yet, but it will have this tile that you're seeing, and we'll have a sink here, and then a washer and dryer with a door from the outside so you can come in from the driveway. So as you come down this arched hallway here, the first thing that you'll get to is the office bathroom. So the office bathroom is going to have wainscoting to about, waist height. And so that's what you're seeing with like the dark paint on the wall. And then in the shower, we brought the color from the shower out into the bathroom, so that's why that paint is so dark. And then we'll do wallpaper above that line, so it'll be a really cool design moment when you go into this bathroom. And you can see we've started the wall tile in this shower, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's this Celige tile that is a hand-painted Moroccan tile, and it's got variation in the color, so you'll see some really dark, some a little lighter. It's a really fun tile, and I'm really excited for this to get done. All right, so we're in the office now, and we decided on this really pretty gray-green paint color. And what I love about this is that it complements the office bathroom without being exactly the same. And the chandelier that's gonna go in the office is gonna be like a glass bubble chandelier, and perfect for setting the tone in here for a fun office with lots of natural light. All right, so we just finished up with the tour of the downstairs, so let's go upstairs. We'll check out the secondary bedrooms and bathrooms. So at the top of the stairs, you'll have your first bedroom and bathroom. So this bathroom has 2 entrances to it. And you can see that we've started doing the floor tile in here. So that floor tile will run seamlessly into the shower, and then we're gonna have a matching herringbone tile on the walls that will match the ivory color in the floor. So we're really excited about the design there, and they're actually actively working on it right now, so you can kind of see what the end product will look like. So as you walk into the common area on the second floor, we've got a small desk set up at the far end, and then behind me we've got the loft. So this will be another gathering space, a little bit smaller than downstairs, for a second TV so that kids and parents can have their own gathering space. So this is the second bedroom that is upstairs, so we're calling this bedroom 3. And behind me you can see that the bathroom, all the tile is mostly done. Under here you can kind of see what the floor will look like. It's this beautiful marble mosaic, and we're really excited about this tile. And then that kind of coordinates with the blue in the wall tile. So we've got a tub bathroom here, so this will be perfect for, you know, if you have smaller children and you want to bathe the smaller children, you've got a tub to do that. So the last space on the second floor is bedroom 4, which is what we're standing in right now. So this is kind of like a flex area. You can use this as a bedroom for sure. It's a very large bedroom, but you could also use it as a game room or a workout room, whatever the family that buys this house wants to use it for. So we've got 2 closets behind me, and then the AC units are over there. And that concludes our home tour. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming and taking this tour of Hazel with me. We're very excited for this to wrap up. And I am Hillary Stalder, your design forward contractor, and we'll see you on the next one.